run a top number and then have some sort of regression. Is that the same in the speed figures that you look at?
I mean, you look back to particular before that huge 101 buyer, the race before that, in contention with some of the Breeders' Cup sprint runners.
All right, good to know.
Gotten back to that number.
Yes, yes. And I think that's a valid concern, especially at a short price in a short.
But yeah, even all of his 4 last numbers, a lot of horses come into play. At least according to Thoroughgraph here. Mike Maker, Manny Franco, Buck Butler with Rodney from the into 5. There's the 4 stepping in. How far will the speed of this with Dylan Davis for Rob Atris? Chris Griffin with the call. It's the Affirmed Success opening.
And they're off in excellent timing. Broke very well from the far outside. Is up by a half length. Down towards the inside here in second. In behind them, that's Sheriff Bianco, who will stalk from third. Donegal Surges is second to last. The Triller. Thrill of it. Rotney now put a neck in front. It's Rotney. The speedy Rotney takes him into the far turn. 22.39. Right there is excellent timing, who broke very sharply from the gate, is back to within ahead of the leader. Bianco from the third position starts to move in closer. Still 2.5 off the leaders. Far and Donegal Surges is the Triller. They get set to reach the top of the stretch. Rotney is trying to. Sheriff Bianco has moved towards the outside. They went 44 and 4 for that half-mile time. And it's Rotney who's still 3 lengths in front. Sheriff Bianco is in pursuit of the leader. Put it away, is approaching the 16th. Sheriff Bianco is getting closer but running out of time to win the Affirmed Success. Rotney wins it over Sheriff Bianco up for third in 1 minute 9 and 4.
Class prevailed. Move there from Manny Franco to say, I'm going to retake this lead here and take.
Absolutely. And a horse that we talked about not necessarily needing the lead to be successful. You would have to think that he would have to establish some forward position. And that's exactly presence in this race. And I would be very surprised if this does not come back as one of his bigger efforts for him over time.
109 and 4. Final 10 wins now from 19 career starts. And Manny Franco deciding.
Right, and ended up being the right decision. And sometimes when you see Manny Franco on a horse where forward position, good things work out.
Rotney, Sheriff Bianco, Donegal Surges, excellent 3-2-5 finish. Your favorite at 8-5 to kick off the Pick 6 Big A meet on our Fox Sports coverage. Manny Franco off to a hot start at the meet, taking the opener. That's a stakes win here in the Affirmed Success on Rotney.